Hi, DJ Dino here from Jinxter Games, and this video is for somebody at the Playmaker forum on this topic. And let me get started here. I made you a sample here that might work for you. So I have my countdown timer, and I have two variables, start time and current time. And so I have my current time, and I added a value already inside, and also in my start time I have a value. If that would be zero, this might trigger too early, so and then you get a sound which you don't want. So that's the reason I have already values inside. And so I'm starting with the start time. Then when it's running, it's storing this in the current time. Then when I click to add time, um, I'm adding 2 seconds to the current time and store this in the start time. Then when I go back here, my start time will be the current time plus 2 seconds. And then it will run again and store the current time. Then when I on this one I have the same thing, but I'm subtracting 2 seconds. And also I added this compare. So if the start time would be 0 or less, it would automatically end. Important though, I have no every frame here. So it will only check once and go back here. And then this will continue running. And let me just show you first. So my time is running down. Then when I add time, it's adding 2 seconds. And when I deduct time, it's deducting, and if I reach 0 or less, it's gonna get to the time up. And on this state, of course, also when it reaches 0, it goes to time up. Now I have a second FSM, and here I'm gonna check the time. So I'm getting the FSM float here, the current time from this FSM. So I'm getting my current time. You can also, if you want, instead of you store this locally, you can make a global, and then you don't need this get FSM float, but you can just get your current time directly from the global. Then on this FSM, I have also two variables. I have the current time, so I'm getting that time from here, and I have my last seconds. So last seconds is starting from 5. So if I reach 5 seconds left, it will trigger the beep. So it will go here. And I have here an audio play simple, which I also made and is available on the ecosystem. The difference with this one and the original one is when it plays, and when this is turned off, it will go immediately back, or it will go immediately to the other state. And with the original, it will wait until the clip has ended. And this can still work. If I put this on, it will do the same as the original, but when this is off, it can go immediately to the other state, which is very useful. Then I also do a float subtract on the last seconds. So when it's 5 seconds, it's gonna be 4, and then it's gonna check if it's 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and if it's gonna be 0, it's gonna check on this float compare. Uh, so if it's 0, it's gonna go here, and here I have again a FSM float, and I'm comparing again, and when it reaches 0, I have my game over or end bust sound, and do other things, whatever you need for your project. So let me play this, and I'll just speed this up a bit, so I'll deduct a little bit here, and you'll see here 1 and 0. So I hope this helped you out, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.